The final level of organization is organ systems. The objective of this video is to describe how organs are arranged into organ systems. Just like different types of tissues come together in order to form an organ, different organs come together to form an organ system. They can work together as a single unit in order to serve a common function. There are many different organ systems in humans. Three of the most important ones are the digestive system, the respiratory system, and the circulatory system. The digestive system is a system that is responsible for digesting and processing food. It is made up of different organs including the salivary glands, the esophagus, the stomach, the duodenum, the ileum, the pancreas, and the liver. These are all different types of organs, each individually made of different types of tissues. All of these organs can serve a common function, which is the digestion and the processing of food, so they work together as a system, as a single functional unit. So they are called collectively the digestive system. The respiratory system is a system used for breathing and gas exchange. The respiratory system includes organs like the trachea, the bronchi, and the lungs. Again, each of these organs is made of different types of tissues that came together to serve a specific function, and these different organs came together to serve a specific function of breathing and gas exchange in the functional unit that is the respiratory system. As for the circulatory system, its function is to pump and circulate blood all around the body. The organs that come together to form the circulatory system are the heart, the arteries, and the veins. So if we were to take the circulatory system and dissect it in order to look at the levels of organization in organisms, we can start, for example, with the muscle cell. The muscle cell is a type of cell that contracts and relaxes. Muscle cells come together to form muscle tissue. Muscle tissue with other types of tissues like the epithelial tissue come together to form an organ that is the heart. The heart comes together with other organs like arteries and veins, as well as structures like capillaries, in order to form the circulatory system. So these are the levels of organization in living organisms.